Welcome all classes, CNG 124, 132, and 212. This is kind of a generic video. Um, I'll just kind of post in the news section so everybody does see. Uh, so let's see. The classes look like they're getting off to a good start. We're coming to the end of week 2. Um, just got done answering well, I shouldn't say a whole lot of emails. Just got done answering a few emails. Um, Going to clarify a few things on individual classes, but as we approach this 3-day weekend, just wanted to make sure I remind you guys I will not be uh, in Colorado. Um, I will have access to the internet, but maybe not full-blown access. Usually the internet at the hotel is pretty spotty, so therefore I cannot do a whole lot, and it's usually pretty terrible interaction at the hotel. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out today. I will be popping in and out of the class up until the point I leave, which is about 3 p.m. this afternoon. But if you do have questions, I have a Google Hangouts um, that I can text on my phone back and forth. So if you have any questions, I will share that Hangout with you guys. And remember, there's going to be, you could see a question asked from a different class once you join that Hangout. But don't be discouraged. I mean, at least you'll kind of have an idea of the answer when I give it. So you're going to be building up your own personal resources, even if you just join it and just like look what's going on. But yeah, week 2 coming to an end. Make sure to get those assignments in by Sunday. All my assignments in every class are due Sunday. Um, Everything looks good so far. There's no real concern on my end that you guys are just chugging along. I see great interactions, discussions in each course um, being responded to. Uh, this I know you guys post here. I just fixed this one once again. Some dates are off. Um, you guys just have to understand that in the rush of trying to set this up, things will get overlooked. Um, Thanks, CNN. Uh, but we will chug along this semester and you'll get it. 124. I know we're getting around IPv4s and learning MAC addresses. Stick with it. You know, it's new stuff. We're going to get around it. CNG 132, this weekend, you're supposed to practice. Social engineering. Look at those questions at your bank, you know, those security questions. Can you go up to somebody and can you basically sweet talk them into giving you the answers to those questions? You know, then you'll have their answers to those questions. 212, we are starting to implement install servers. You know, great stuff. I haven't heard back from the Azure. I just checked my email too. Haven't heard back on that Azure stuff. Um, Worst case scenario, I can find an ISO of 2019 and get it over to you guys so you start working on. You'll be learning 2016, but maybe playing around with 2019. So I will definitely pick that up one more time today and see if I can't get any answers for server installations, because that's really a helpful thing to learn, is learn how to install servers on the fly, and then when you get a server running, um, simply by taking snapshots within a VM workstation will allow you to recover more quickly, because a snapshot is basically a moment in time of that virtual machine, not even really a backup. And that can be kind of maybe, as we're talking about servers and 132 class, um, the Regis University is currently down because they had a cyber attack within them. But maybe if they had a backup, their chances of being put back online quicker could have been done. But that's all. I want to keep it short. Make sure to watch this video. Look for updates, and I will put the link to my chat or to my Google Hangout, so you guys can. It's pretty much texting me directly. The Google Hangout goes right to my phone. If I'm on the road, I probably won't answer you uh, until I get there. But that's like a 4-hour drive, so count for about 4 hours a day and 4 hours Monday of me not getting back to you guys. And probably next week's videos will be delayed I'll leave the old videos in for most of the classes so you can kind of see what's going to go on. And those new videos will go up so you have an idea of what to do, specifically on a Tuesday. You guys have a good 3-day weekend. Enjoy yourselves, and I'll talk to you soon.